Mood Society is a bunch of flowers containing various colors and smell. The members are renowned people and physicians, namely one of the eldest cardiologists, Dr. Nirup Mitra, Dr. Ranabir Bhaumik, physician, and Dr. Arnab Bandyopadhyay, psychiatrist. Sri Amitabh Ganguly, renowned criminal lawyer of West Bengal, and Sri Vaishnav Chattopadhyay, famous political leader of West Bengal, and so many other people, namely topmost police medal holder ex-ACDDI Lal Bazar, Ratanlal Mukherjee, and Inspector Prabir Gangopadhyay. All of them are life members of the society.